Okay, here's a really quick and dirty video. It's all about the Lizard 95. I think we all got caught up in the hype, and I watched so many videos online about it before I bought one of these. But no one told you that the frame itself, the bottom plate, the carbon fibre is cut the wrong way. And it means the arms are incredibly weak and the whole frame is very, very bendy. So because I run my own business cutting carbon fibre, I just wasn't happy with this. I mean, I bought myself a spare frame as well, and it might as well be made from chocolate. So this video is just going to show you how soft and flexible the carbon is. And what I mean by the carbon cut the wrong way is it's the way the fibres are laid inside the carbon. Obviously we see the 3K twill, but inside the layers go like this, up and down and left and right, and you need to orientate the arms the correct way to make use of the way the strands are running. So the frame should have been cut with the strands running this way and that way, but they haven't done that. They've cut the frame let me get it like this, so that the fibres are not running along the arms. And what happens is, firstly, the design I think is fairly poor, but this frame is very, very weak. I'm going to demonstrate it now. I can't demonstrate how much force I'm putting it, but I'm using my fingertips. And we're first of all going to see the arms bend downwards like this, which you are expecting because you're putting force on the arms. But if you look at the front and the fore and aft motor arm, that is actually going to bend upwards. So if I just do this again, you can see where my fingers are, it's bending down, but you can see the back arm and the front arm are bending upwards. So there you go. If I turn it around like that, it's like a banana. So you can see where I'm applying force. And I think this is the problem everyone's having with oscillation, and they're putting TPU mounts under the motors to try and resolve the issue. But the issue is the frame. The frames are cut wrong. So as the motors are applying thrust, the frame's doing this. So you know, the motors are going up and down, and it's like a sponge. I mean, you know, I've got a spare one of these. So look, I'm going to just do this. See, look, that is like a banana. Look at it. And I've heard the frame crack, and now that's you can see that it's now taken a new shape. And if I did it a bit harder with two fingers, well, I won't do it because I haven't got gloves on or my eye protection. But you know, I've heard like that's really, really soft now. You can see that's bending a lot more. You can see the way the arms are coming up and down. So what I did, I went through a lot of iteration. I've been through 8 redesigning the frame, and this one is the one of my cut in black FR4 G10, and I've finally got my final cut done today. And this is it. And obviously I've cut it with the 90 and 0 degrees inner layers of carbon fibre cut the right way. So all the strength is going this way and that way. So obviously the frame is totally redesigned, other than where the holes have to be. But you can see the difference. Some of the main differences are, you know, well, you can see for yourself. Do I really need to explain? I've got rid of the thin stuff. I've beefed it up in the areas. I put some motor mount protections at the ends and just around the side. Now I'm going to apply the same force. Now you're going to have to trust me that I'm applying the same force, but the arms will bend downwards where our fingers are, because that's where the stress is, but not so much. And let's get the camera right. The other arms, they're not bending, so you haven't got the banana. Fantastic. And if you do it this way, because the fibres run the right way, like that you can see my fingers are going white. I am pulling there, so the arms are going to deflect because they're only very thin, but the two front and back are staying flat. So there you go, that's my Lizard 95 100% swappable bottom plate. It's made from 2.5 carbon fibre, probably better quality. Well, I know it's better quality than the design that came with it. So there you go. I look forward to putting this on my Lizard 95 and giving it a fly. I mean, I'm not the best flyer. I'm a plodder. I'm not a racer, but I just hate crap design. So that's what I come up with. I'd welcome any comments, especially people who are flying the 95. And you know, if you've ever taken your frame off and wondered why you're getting oscillated, oh, look at it. It's like a it's like a banana. You know, let's do that again because it is good. Look at that. And that's what's happening in flight. Okay, the frame becomes slightly stiffer once you've got the stack and the side plates on, but even so, you're still going to get it. I mean, even if you do this, you know, it's hard now because the motor's on, but you know, my frame's just going to be rock solid. Anyway, that's Andy. Very quick and dirty video. Wasn't really prepared, but I literally cut this frame after I'd done the other carbon jobs I had to do today, and I'm just so happy that it's come out so well. Anyway, that's Andy signing out. Ciao for now.